How LSTM revolutionized speech and facial recognition from virtual assistant to facial recognition. Machine learning has changed the way we interact with technology. But one of the key players in this transformation is a neural network technique called LSTM, or long short-term memory. In today's video, we'll explore how LSTM has advanced speech and facial recognition technology. Speech recognition has come a long way, and much of the progress we see today is thanks to LSTM. Developed in 1997 by Hofreiter and his team, LSTM is a neural network technique that can retain images from thousands of events in sequence, making it ideal for processing speech. LSTM helps capture context from events that happened many steps earlier, which is crucial for speech recognition. By 2007, LSTM was miles ahead of other speech recognition tools, leading to dramatic improvements in performance. Fast forward to 2015, and Google made a huge leap by implementing LSTM in their speech recognition algorithm. By training LSTM through a method called connection tempo classification, Google improved its speech recognition efficiency by more than 45%. But the advancements didn't stop there. The success of LSTM in speech recognition soon transferred to facial recognition. In 2006, the National Institute of Standards and Technology held a facial recognition grand challenge. This challenge tested popular algorithms using high-resolution facial photos, iris scans, and 3D facial scans. By the end of the event, modern facial recognition algorithms were outperforming older methods by a factor of 10 to 100 times. By 2012, major tech companies like Google and Facebook began experimenting with machine learning for facial recognition. Google's X Lab developed an algorithm that could browse the internet and recognize cat videos, while Facebook launched DeepFace in 2014. DeepFace could identify people in photos with nearly the same accuracy as humans, an impressive feat that shows just how far facial recognition had come. Thanks to LSTM, both speech and facial recognition have seen huge advances. From improving Google's speech recognition to powering Facebook's DeepFake, this neural network technique continues to push the boundaries of machine learning. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights into how AI is shaping our world.